they see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to talk about Supreme Week 18. Honestly, bro, I just got back from a flight. I was on vacation and I'm freshly back to the workspace, and I'm actually going to start pumping out some content for y'all. I feel like I did slack off a little bit, and hey, my apologies. I low-key just wanted to relax a little bit. I thought I was going to be on work mode and shit, but a lot of things happened, and I am happy to be back and talking about the Supreme Summer Tea Week. Supreme is low-key coming to an end, and I do want to go ahead and cover what we do have left. This week we actually got some banger ass teas in my opinion, and I am gonna go ahead and cover it for y'all. If you do end up enjoying this video though, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. All right, so just like that, we're right back to it. We about to go ahead and talk about these teas. We got a couple extra items that are going to be releasing, as you guys can see right here. This drop list is for week 18, like I was saying before, and I am going to go ahead and get straight to it. First, we're going to start with the banger for this week, which is the KAWS chalk logo tee, basically a box logo. If you guys know, this is the design that KAWS does for the box logos with Supreme. They actually released a hoodie with the same design earlier this season, and I forgot how prices are on those, but I do really like this design. I feel like it's kind of playful, it's different, and it's not the same shit that we always see. Honestly, in my opinion, I would like if this tee had like the KAWS X's on the back. That would be so sick, but obviously I don't think that that is going to be the case. Regardless, this is a solid design in my opinion, and if I were to get it, I honestly would probably go for this forest green or like a cream or black colorway. I am a fan of this piece for sure, and I'm excited to see what prices do for these. I definitely think resale is going to be there at least $200 to $250, $250 plus as time goes on as well. This is definitely a fire piece to go for this week. I feel like when it comes to the box logo tees, it's probably one of the more profitable items simply because retail is so low that the amount of loss isn't that high. So if you buy this piece for $48, let's say, and you sell it for $250 after fees and everything, there's $230, you're making $170 or $180 profit on a $50 investment. I'm personally gonna go for it. If I do end up keeping it, it is what it is, but if I do end up selling it, I know that I have some money there as well. That's honestly my thoughts on the KAWS box logo. I feel like it's hard. Make sure you go ahead and single card it. I believe there's going to be like 6 to 7 different colorways for that piece as well. There might even be double XLs. I don't know. We do have the Bowery iPhone case, which is a banger. If you can see right here, I need a new phone case. My shit is beat. The Apple phone cases suck ass, and I feel like low-key I want this one. This is so clean, and it comes in my phone, so I'm definitely gonna try to go ahead and get this for the iPhone 12. I just love the way that it looks. It doesn't really scream Supreme. It's more so just a phone case, which is even cooler. It has some graffiti on it, has a little New York vibe to it, which I love so much. It's a great piece to go ahead and buy for the personal if you do want to switch up the phone case on your phone. Solid piece in my opinion. I honestly feel like it might even have $20-$30 resale because it's a fire ass case, and hey, it's pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. We got the Augustus Pablo tee, which this shit is a banger, bro. You got the Twin Towers in the background, small Supreme box. Like, I like this more than the KAWS box logo type shit. This is amazing. I definitely do love the way that they incorporated the Twin Towers, the small BOGO in the corner, keeping it real subtle. That's what I'm a fan of. Like, when Supreme does shit like this right here, that's what I like. I honestly would rather get this than anything else this week. I love this piece a lot, and I feel like resale is gonna be there. It'll probably go for like $80-$90, and down the line that's gonna be one of those pieces that goes for more simply because it does have the Twin Towers on it. It got that like nostalgic feeling vibe to it. That's just my opinion. Next up, we got the Milano Tea, which is kind of ass. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Personally, this is one of the teas that I didn't really like that much, but it has like these designs on it. Not really that much of a fan, I'm not gonna lie. We got the Snake Tea, which I kind of do like. It almost looks like Arbok if you are into Pokemon. Personally, this is one of the teas that I'd buy and just hold, see if the prices go up in the future, some shit like that. I don't know if I'd end up wearing this one. I have way too many Supreme teas, and I'm really cutting down on what I wear as far as Supreme goes. This is a clean piece though, and hey, if you could pick it up for retail, why not? You feel me? I might go ahead and just cart the teas and call it a day. We got the logo camo duvet, which basically basically in the camo, has these small ass box logos going all throughout the fucking blanket. I'm personally good on that shit. Too much for me. I honestly don't really like that shit at all. Got the Anarchy Tee, which is probably one of my favorite tees as well. This shit is so sick. I love that ARC logo without it saying Supreme. I love this shit, bro. It doesn't say Supreme on it, which is probably my favorite part about the piece. And I feel like in a different colorway, this is gonna slap. If I get this in like a black, a white, a cream, a neutral color, I definitely would go ahead and do that. Resell for that might be there. I'm not gonna guarantee anything, but I do think that it is a possibility. This string waist bag right here is some Rastafari shit. I'm good on that, bro. We gonna sleep on that. We got the Does It Work, almost like a anime styled tee. I do think this is cool. I don't know how I feel about it 100%. It says Does It Work? Yes, it works. No at the top and then Supreme at the bottom. I think this is cool, but I just don't understand why the positioning of the graphic is all the way at the bottom. If it was over here centered at the middle, I feel like it would be cooler in my opinion, but that is just my opinion. Resell for that might be there. I honestly don't think it would have too much. So y'all already know this week is gonna be super hyped with the KAWS box logo releasing. This is gonna be one of the more hyped weeks, and I feel like resell for this tee is actually gonna be pretty up there. So I want to talk about the best iOS bot on the market and how you can secure it on the next restock. They are very limited, so you got to listen closely. A lot of people who took my advice actually managed to cook up every drop this season, and the bot is called Addict. Not only do they cover Supreme, but they cover 85 different stores from Palace, Undefeated, Bape, KAWS, Yeezy Supply, and a bunch more. The technology they use is super advanced, which makes it really efficient on cooking up on a bunch of these releases. There's no renewal fees. Literally, you pay the $130, which you can split into 4 separate payments, and use my promo code ASTRO for 10% off. Free updates for life, no renewal fees. In these past couple months, Addict has been cooking up on some of the most hyped drops we've been seeing, like the Amam in years, Supreme releases, you name it. They've been cooking up on all of it. Addict actually has a lot of features to offer, like unlimited tasks, so however many items you want to go ahead and purchase, you can add to this list, and it gives you a bigger chance to cook up on the items that you want. They also launched Yeezy Mode 2.0, which has been cooking up for their users. Hybrid mode is probably the best way to go ahead and cook up the box logos this week, because it lets you go into the tasks to make it cook up for you. Like if a colorway or a size sold out, you can quickly swap it and go for a different one. They also have restock mode, so whenever an item is out of stock, you go ahead and choose the item you want, and once it's in stock, it'll automatically check out. They also been updating the bot almost weekly or bi-weekly, and it's all free of charge. They have a Discord where they put all the keywords and all the information you need in order to go ahead and set up your task. You have the option to either pay it monthly or pay $130 up front, or you can split it into 4 separate payments. There's a lot of big drops happening in the summer, and I honestly would recommend you guys to go ahead and check out Addict.io. If you are interested, I'm gonna leave them linked at the top of the description. Sign up for their newsletter, that way you are notified whenever they're gonna restock. Make sure you go ahead and use promo code ASTRO for 10% off. But with all that being said, let's get back into this video. The Rastafari string tote, we good on the string tote as well. This lightning long sleeve is looking kind of fire as well. It's almost like some cats on the back of this shit. I can't really make out what it is. I know it says Supreme somewhere on that bitch, but we do got the string cam cap as well. That shit is so ass. The Bowery rayon shirt is kind of fire, bro. I wore a rayon shirt while I was on vacation, and your boy is actually losing hella weight. I'm 45 pounds down right now. I don't know if y'all could see it. The rayon shirt was swimming on me, and when I bought that shit didn't even fit me like at all. You know how you wear a shirt and you could see your skin because the buttons ain't closed all the way? That's how that shit was fitting me, and when I wore it on vacation, it was flowy than a bitch, bruh. So hey, the grind don't stop, bruh. Fucking amazing, bruh. I've been killing it, and I'm so excited to keep on this journey. But we do got the 190 Bowery rayon shirt. If I were to get this, I just get it in the regular colorway. I feel like the colors kind of add to the vibe of the shirt. The red one is a little bit too much. It's like dark as fucking just like depressing. I would probably get the one with the regular colors on it. Old English wrap hooded sweatshirt, beautiful. Definitely love the sweatshirt and the pants. I don't really own any white Supreme hoodies, but if I was to own one, it'll be this shit right here. This one's beautiful with the cream branding around it. Stop playing. Even the red one is fire. The sweatpants are hard too. People are sleeping on these. I feel like it's something subtle, and that's why people aren't gonna go for it. Like if it said Supreme on the front, people would most likely fucking go for it, but I think these are solid ass pieces. I don't own any red Supreme hoodies, so this might be a possibility, honestly. And then we got these 3 last pieces at the bottom. The string crusher, which is ass, bro. Like, this shit is so dookie. Like, I'm good on that shit. We got the Jamie Reed fuck all shirt, which honestly at this point, I don't know how many fucking times they supposed to release this same shit and don't do it, but I really hope that this time they do it. You know what I'm saying? This shit's supposed to been released, like been released, and it never did. But I do think that it is a solid piece. I just feel like button-ups are cool, but I don't know if I could pay that much for just a regular ass button-up from Supreme. Personally, I'd probably just end up sleeping on it. We do got the mesh warm-up top. Yo, what in the Pele is going on, bro? Like, this is some Fat Farm Pele where my dogs at vibe. Rest in peace DMX. But like, this shit is ass, bro. This looked like some basketball shorts and one style. Like, we good on this shit right here 100%. If I was to go for anything this week, it would be the KAWS Chalk logo tee. This phone case is hard. The Augustus Pablo tee is fire as fuck. This whole row right here is a whole dub. The best piece is the snake tee. Then we also do have the Anarchy Tee, which is actually sick. I'm honestly more excited to see other colorways of this, but I do think that it's still a solid piece nonetheless. The Does It Work tee is fire as well. This lightning tee is kind of growing on me. I think that in a different colorway I could possibly give it a shot. This Old English sweater in the white and cream is so sick. Even in that red colorway, that Bowery rayon in the normal color is definitely fire, and then everything else is ass. There's a lot of bangers this week. Personally, there's a lot that I'm trying to go for, and hopefully we do manage to cook up. But that pretty much does it for this drop list. If you guys did enjoy, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel